if you are trying different tactics. Uh, so mostly in WMI there are three things. Okay, the important there is some important things. So the one is event filter, and the second one is event consumer, and the third one will be a event binding. Okay. So let me show you. Let me teach you what is that first. Okay. So here you can find a query. So this is a query. You need to add the event filter. Okay. So if you want to create a persistence in WMI, you have to do three things. You have to set an event filter, and you have to set an event consumer. Then you have to bind both of the event filters and consumer. Okay. So this is the command to create a event filter. The command, the filter name was METR, meter. That was nothing but meter filter. And this event filter will be executed 60-second one after the windows get booted. Okay. So once the windows get logged on, our payload will be executed 30 times. Oh, sorry, 60-second once. Okay. So our payload will be get executed 60 seconds once. Okay. So I already added the event filter. Let me show you. This is the command. You can get information about the event filter and the consumer. So I have added previously each and everything. Okay. So let me show you first. So here you can find the event filter with the name of METER, right? So this is the name of event filter which we have created with the name of METER. Let me show you the next thing, the event consumer. So the consumer is like you need to give the command what needs to get executed. Okay. So in my point of view, I just created a persistmal.exe. One of the malware we have tried in registry persistence. The same malware which I have used here. Okay. So that was sitting under the directory, the download folder. So here you can find it was sitting here, the persistmal.exe. So I have involved that in my event consumer. Okay. So the event filter is like which time that our payload needs to be executed. Okay. It will be like on log off, or it's like you are giving a time frame, like which time it needs to be get executed. Okay. So you can change 60 seconds to 3600 or 5 minutes or something. Okay, that's your choice. This is called as the event filter. So which time our payloads needs to be get executed, the time interval, basically. The next one, the event consumer. This could be a command line. So what needs to be get executed? Okay, the event consumer. What needs to be get executed? Previously I have executed this. Let me show you whether it was. So this is the command to verify. Okay, so this is the command to verify whether everything has been set correctly. Let me execute this. So now you can find there is one executable get added, METER, and the executable path was persistmal.exe, and the command line was persistmal. So you can find it was properly executed and it was successfully added in the event consumer. The third thing was the binding. So the binding is like you are going to combine both the things. Okay, event filter plus event consumer equal to binding. Okay, so this is like to consumer binding. So you are binding the event filter and the event consumer. Okay, so event filter name meter. So we have created event filter name. Okay, meter, and event consumer name same the meter. And this both the things are like binding. Okay, so let me execute this verification command. So this is one of the URL. You can refer the WMA related activity. I'll be giving this in a resource session, don't worry. So let me do that. So now you can see there's an event filter and event consumer are binded properly. So uh, it was a great thing. So it has been binded. And let me start a reverse connection and let me restart my machine, and I'll be start the reverse connection here. So the port was 8769. So here you can find, so the TCP handler has been started, and wait for some minutes. Let Windows will be get restarted. The machine has been initiated. Let me give the password and I will boot the machine. We'll see we'll be getting a reverse connection or not. So this is the one we have added in the startup folder. You can see the path here, name equal to startup menu startup folder. In the previous video, I'm not going to execute this. I'll be going to cancel this. Okay? And let me wait for 3 more minutes. Sorry, 3 more seconds. Every 60 seconds, after the computer gets booted, our payload will be get initiated, which we added in WMI. So now you can see I didn't initiated anything, I didn't executed anything. So here you can see the reverse connection has been started. Let me execute the help command and I will be executing who am I here. Okay. I need to execute two commands. Let me check what commands we need to use. Networking command, system command. Okay, execute a command. Let me do the option execute, and I will try to execute a command. Execute UMI slash all. Oh, it's creating a process, but I don't need a process. I need the command to check a privilege. Let me see which options we can use. System commands. Yeah, here you can find the shell. Drop into a system command. So let me execute the shell. Okay, I got the shell now. UMI slash R. Here you can find it's an administrator, and our privilege was system mandatory level because we have added that in a WMI, Windows Management Instrumentation. So we will be getting a system mandatory level, the higher privilege we will be getting. So yeah, that's all about the video. I hope you have a clear understanding about. Let's pop off and we'll connect you in the next video.